Ciao. So we moved into our new apartment, which is good. I haven't told you guys that. I've been gone for like a month. Don't hate me. When I started YouTube like a month ago, I used to be like, oh, I gotta do my makeup, I gotta do my hair, I can't look crazy on camera. But honey, let me tell you, that got old real quick. 1 month in, and I'm tired. I'm tired. So you're gonna get how I look, and that's it. In there, can you see that? It's our bathroom, and I actually have a new project that I DIY'd. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned.
Too hard, gotta dip too hard, they gon' fuck around and drown off the hey, pretty little toes, stunting on these hoes. Buy another bag soon as I get paid. Bad little vibe, keep up on my side. Here's a dirty bitch, gotta catch this fade. Do it all the time, till I'm in my prime.
So framing your mirror in your bathroom or anywhere really has been kind of like a popular thing lately, but I noticed a lot of people online were just doing it for a house, and I rent and I can't do any permanent damage. So this is actually apartment friendly, and you can take it down later on, which is really good. First, we are just starting off with some baseboards. I got them from Home Depot, and you buy it by like the foot, I think. So there's just this one long piece of wood, and then they cut it up. And these little squares or corner squares were also in that same aisle. I did spray paint them white because they were a little dingy from being in the store. I decided to use double-sided tape, and they have all kinds of brands. They have mounting tape, regular tape, permanent tape. So make sure you double check which one you're going to buy, because you do not want to get the permanent one and place this on, because that baby is not coming off. You will break something. So you just stick it on. Of course, take your measurements, place it where you want it. Because I got the double-sided tape, there is a little bit of a gap, and you can see it in the mirror, but honestly, like, you only can see it if you're seriously like walking by. If you're looking straight on, you can't see anything. So you just follow the same thing. I like to use as minimal as possible, just because, once again, I do want to take it down later, and I did have to rearrange the way I put these up. So trust me, you can take them down if need be. The reason why I had to reorganize them was because my retarded behind put all the squares in first, and the long pieces, it was just a little bit longer. So I had to go back, put the long piece first, and then add the square to the end. But again, this is how it looks far away. Looks pretty good. Just looks like a framed-in mirror, honestly. But I like the aesthetic that it gives, because it kind of doesn't just look like a regular mirror, and it adds a little bit of decoration that, once again, yes, I can remove once I move out this bit. The baseboards, the double-sided tape, and the spray paint all came to about $35. I did go in and change the handles that are on my cabinets. They used to be a silver color, and I changed those to black. I didn't like the silver. So I don't remember how much those were, but I want to say they were like $1. So yeah, so you know, it's very inexpensive, very coin friendly. If you guys decide to try the frame mirror, please comment down below and let me know. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.